Talyvel is principally a precision pendulum. A pendulum will always try and point downwards to the center of the earth. If we encase that, it doesn't matter which way you tilt the enclosure, the pendulum inside will again always try to point to the center of the earth. So we can embed electronics into this and effectively have a transformer where one side of the coil has an excitation voltage and the other side of the coil corresponds to its position. So if it swings to the left, the signal level will go down, representing minus 800 seconds. If it swings to the right, it will increase. This is a very simplistic view of quite a complex electronics. I'll now show you the instrument in practice. This is Talyvel 6, which has a pendulum inside. There is a locking knob on the end which you pull and twist to unlock. When you do this, gently you can hear the pendulum swinging against the end stops. This is its normal operation mode. The convention for measuring is always the knob or cable. If this is upwards, this is positive, and this is the normal way we measure. To lock, hold on to the knob and turn it round. Do not let it go. Let it gently lock the pendulum in place, and there'll be no noise.